The purpose of this video is to show you how to multiply whole numbers. So click on Operation of Multiplication in the Mathematics Topics. Click on Multiply Whole Numbers in the subtopic menu. And then the primary instructions will come up, and click on Show Assessment Instructions after reading those. Then read your assessment instructions and click on Start Assessment. And now you're going to put in your multiplication problem. So you're going to start at the multiplier, which is going to be 72. It's going to be plus because 72 shows up there as a positive and 78 is a positive. So hit your Shift plus key, then tab over, space it to where you're going to put in the 72. So 7, tab 2. You're going to go up to the multiplicand, Shift plus, tab over where you can put in 7, 8, and then you start multiplying. So 2 times 8 is 16. Tab again, that's going to make that 15. And then you go over to the place where you want to start on the product row, number 2. So that's going to be 7 times 8 is 56. So you put in your 6. 49 is 7 times 7, and then you have to add 5, so that's going to be 54. So put in your 4, and then your 5, and then you go down and start adding 6, 11, carry 1, 6, 5. You make it a positive number. So our product is 5616. Click on Score and Present Feedback. And it says you have correctly completed the multiplication assessment. You can compare your work to the correct presentation of the assessment. So here's the correct solution, 5616, which is the same as what I got as my response. Then you can click on Present Next Assessment, and another problem will present. Thank you.